So guys, myself Tejasvi, I am in the CSU of your class. Welcome you all in our fifth GD. As you all know, GD is conducted every month by the speaker from club. So the topic of today's GD is exam phobia and how to overcome it. So this is very interesting topic. So let's have good discussion on this topic. So I would like to know from Ankit, what are your opinions about this topic?
Morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Our topic is exam phobia and how we overcome it. Basically, phobia means fear, and exam phobia means fear of exams. This excessive fear of exams leads to anxiety and depression of the students. Basically, firstly, I am discussing major points of exam phobia, how it occurs. My first point is students' comparison with other students. When one student comparison its marks or grades with other students, this leads to exam phobia. My second point is increasing expectation from parents and teachers. This also leads to exam phobia. My third point is fear of getting good marks. Students in college and schools have a fear of getting good marks because among the society and their neighbors there is an image of a good student which getting high marks. Now I am discussing how we overcome exam phobia. So basically my first point is to revise the whole syllabus timely and more times. Means the frequency of revision is increasing. मतलब ये है कि जितना भी अपना सिलेबस उसको टाइम से रिवाइज करो और उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ा दो। थोड़ा जितना भी सिलेबस है उसको 2 या 3 बार रिवाइज करो। ये जितना आपको एप्रोप्रिएट है आपको। The second point is sleep well. Many students in exam time do not get a good sleep due to which their anxiety and depression level increases, so they cannot get good marks in their exams. मतलब ये है कि एग्जाम टाइम में बच्चे एग्जाम फोबिया के कारण अच्छे से नहीं लेते, जिसकी वजह से उनका एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं जाता और एग्जाम से पहले नींद बिल्कुल जरूरी है ताकि खुद को स्वस्थ और तरोताजा महसूस करवा सकें. My third point is give enough number of mocks. Means mock is a type of exam which is basically in the same way the actual exam is held. मतलब ये है कि मेरा mock से क्या होता है कि बच्चे के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि कोई भी एग्जाम है उसका पेट उसने पहले से ही अगर 3-4 बार उसको अगर अटेम्प्ट किया है तो उसके अंदर वो एग्जाम फोबिया दूर हो जाएगा कि मेरा एग्जाम कैसा जाएगा, क्योंकि उससे वो गो थ्रू हो जाता है प्रकार से. तो गिविंग एनफ नंबर ऑफ मॉक्स गिव बूस्ट टू देयर प्रिपरेशन. माय फोर्थ पॉइंट इज टू प्रिपेयर नोट्स. स्टूडेंट मेक्स नोट्स so they can revise the whole syllabus in few time during the exam time. मतलब कि अगर बच्चा सारा पढ़ के अगर नोट्स बनाता है तो एक तो उसकी वो मेमोरी में सेव हो जाएगा, उसकी जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है उसके अंदर सेव हो जाएगा और इसके अलावा नोट्स को एग्जाम टाइम पे वो कम टाइम में उसको रिवाइज कर पाएगा आराम से. उसकी खुद की राइटिंग से मतलब उसका जो टॉपिक है या फिर जो भी सब्जेक्ट है वो अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा उसको. My fourth point is make your timetable. ये मतलब देखा गया कि जिस भी बच्चे ने टाइम टेबल बनाया है और उसको अच्छे से फॉलो करता है तो मतलब उसकी प्रिपरेशन कम टाइम में हो जाती है और जितना अकॉर्डिंगली उसको करता है उसकी रिजल्ट हो जाती है उसकी. उसका सिलेबस भी टाइम से कंप्लीट हो जाता है और उसको उसका कॉन्फिडेंस अलग ही होता है और से. My fifth point is avoid comparison with others. ये सबसे मेजर टॉपिक मैं मानता हूँ कि जो मतलब इसको बच्चों को प्रमोट करना चाहिए. जो बच्चों को इन्फ्लुएंस बहुत ज़्यादा करता है वो खुद कंपैरिजन दूसरों बच्चों के साथ करते हैं सभी के अंदर भगवान ने एबिलिटी और कैपेबिलिटीज अलग होती हैं, तो किसी को मतलब खुद को दूसरे से कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए। ओके, थैंक्स।
Hi everyone, my name is Ashi and I am a student of MCA first year. Today's DD topic is exam phobia. And as we know that what is exam phobia? Exam phobia is due to the lack of preparations and anxiety and stress among all the students. What are the causes of exam phobia? How we overcome it? The causes of exam phobia: fear of letting down parents and teachers, fear of facing the bad exams, and negative self-talk before and during exams. And how to overcome it? First of all, we have to early revise the subjects in which we are not attention in every subjects which are low, not interested in each subject. And second is make your timetable. Third, lack of preparation. Thanks.
Shiva, good morning.
Good morning.
Since I'm not aware about the fact that our today GD topic is exam phobia, so I'm not well prepared. But since I know like in something short, but Ankit has already explained most of the points and he has highlighted most of the points. So I have nothing to say about this. But yes, in nutshell, I would say exam phobia is nothing but it's like anxiety. For example, if we work up and we know that there is coming on and we have to give our exam, then there are a lot of questions going through our mind and hiccup going through our mind. What sir would give on the exam, or is there anything which I'm missing out, or something that is not covered by me? So basically, it's an anxiety. So I mean, if someone is well prepared, then I think anxiety is something which is not available in someone who has already prepared. But most of the students, like maybe we can take 100 people and 70 people out of 100, they are not well prepared. So anxiety always remain in their minds. So that's it.
I have a question. जैसे कि शुरू में बताया कि जिन बच्चों की तैयारी होती है ना, उनको एग्जाम फोबिया नहीं होता। और मेन तो ये निकल के आया इससे 170 बच्चे ने अगर तैयारी की थी तो 70 को एग्जाम फोबिया है, 30 को नहीं है। जबकि एग्जाम फोबिया का रियल मीनिंग ये नहीं है कि एग्जाम फोबिया किसी को हो सकता है। तैयारी जिसका कोई संबंध नहीं होता। एग्जाम फोबिया मतलब एग्जाम से कि बच्चों को एग्जाम का डर होता है। इसमें तैयारी का कोई वो नहीं होता। ये डस्टर चाहिए। ये कह सकते हैं कि जिस बच्चे की तैयारी अच्छी है उसको फोबिया थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा, लेकिन ये नहीं कह सकते कि किसी को फोबिया होगा, जिसकी तैयारी अच्छी उसको फोबिया होगा ही नहीं। तो मेरा ये मानना है।
I said that, yeah, you're right, but I didn't completely eradicate the idea of the all students who have well prepared would not have exam phobia. Actually, I didn't mention it, but I said that most of the students who are not well prepared, they have more exam phobia than the one who have prepared very well. Actually, I didn't mention it, but the one, okay, but let's continue.
Yes, we can.
So, good morning. Myself Nikhil, and I am going to share my views on the exam phobia. So, first of all, what it is? Exam phobia nothing but just a mental disorder that are caused in the minds of the students during the examinations. So, what are the causes of it? What are the causes? These are, I have 2 points. Expectation more than their preparation. And the second thing is comparison with the other students. If I give the example of comparison, then if we are in the examination hall and we are doing the exam and see the other students, what they are doing, then also it will lead to the exam phobia, that what they are doing and what we are mainly comparing with the other students. And what are the consequences of this exam phobia? it will lead to the less performance of the student, and it will cause the anxiety in the students, and that's all.
मेरा एक पॉइंट है सर इसमें। मतलब निखिल ने ये बताया कि एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में बैठे हैं, एक स्टूडेंट एक को अटेम्प्ट कर रहा है, हम उसको देख रहे हैं तो हमारे अंदर एग्जाम हो गया है। इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि जिस टाइम हम एग्जाम दे रहे हैं उसी टाइम एग्जाम हो गया है, जबकि
Even during the exam,
जबकि ये नहीं होता है। एग्जाम हो गया है, किसी को 1 महीने पहले भी हो सकता है, किसी को क्या पता 1 दिन पहले हो। तो मेरा ये पॉइंट था कि जरूर नहीं कि एग्जाम टाइम में देख रहे किसी बच्चे को तो उसकी वजह से एग्जाम हो गया है, वो 1 हफ्ते पहले भी हो सकता है और 1 महीने पहले भी हो सकता है।
Yes, but during the exam it is at its peak.
yes, because we are doing at the same time, and we are seeing the other students what they are doing, and they are asking for the another sheets, and this will also lead to the exam.
Yes, Simran.
Good morning, everyone. Actually, I want to say that any type of phobia is due to our mental, what we think, due to our overthinking. We think what people think about us if we didn't perform well. Same happens during the exams. We care a lot about what the society will say, what our teachers will say, and what our parents will think about us if we didn't perform well. And also, I want to say that our society and our teachers and parents all are giving importance to the marks instead of knowledge. This give a high pressure on a student's mind, and due to which a student instead of gaining knowledge, a student think of learning everything so that he could perform well in exam and gain good marks. And in order to gain good marks, he take a lot of stress, and due to this, they get the exam phobia.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So our topic is examination phobia, as we know. So examination phobia is a fear of being evaluated in the exam. We have our parents have lot of hope with us that they think that we prepare well and can do better. But sometimes we all can't prepare better, and negative thinking come in our mind. This negative thinking we turn into anxiety and also cause so this is all examination phobia. And now I want to tell about how do we overcome this examination phobia. So we have to prepare well in the exam. It's a better that we complete our sleep time, and we exercise well, because our physically good will also be better for exam, being prepared in exam. And by that we can prepare our plan how to we study, and in exam we can do better if our writing is best, and we make notes giving heading and some heading also, then it's a better chance we can get good marks in exam. So we can overcome by this in examination.
So as we all have discussed about various aspects of exam phobia, like what it is, what are its consequences, what are its causes, and how we can overcome it. But why is this exam phobia? Like why there is no exam phobia? Like there is a mistake of children also. Like what they don't complete their homework from time to time, from day to day. Like they will do the homework, they will learn the subject at the time of examination. So what happens at the time of examination, there is a lot of stuff to learn, and hence they got depression, they got exam phobia. So there is some mistake of children also, and there should be a consultant, or we can say a psychological teacher for the students, which explain them about exam phobia, how to get rid of it, and how to be free, how to feel free, how to not take stress during the exams. So I think by implementing these things we can reduce the exam phobia. So any of you have points you can say?
I have one point. how to overcome exam phobia. By doing meditation and yoga, we can overcome it.
Okay. Ashik, would you like to say?
Wait for 10 to 15 minutes to calm your mind. That is the reason to improve your results in examinations.
Yes. So basically, if we say in a nutshell, we have to focus on our mental health, because if our mental health is okay, as Simran said, then everything will be okay. We don't have any exam phobia or depression or stress. So this is the end of our GD. Thank you guys.
Thanks.